In the universe, the speed of light is the ultimate speed at which objects move. There's nothing that has a rest mass able to meet or exceed it. It can travel 300,000 kilometers per second. For humans, the speed of light has surpassed our imagination. However, in the vastness of space, in fact, it is slowly insignificant. The universe we can currently observe reached a range of 93 billion light-years. This means that even if you could travel at the speed of light, a trip through the universe, it will take 93 billion years. Can imagine, the speed of light is so slow in the universe. So let's assume today, if we could take a second, flying at a speed of 1 light-year, approximately how long can we study the marriage of the universe? Next, I will lead you on a journey. Virtual Star Trek. Explore at a speed of 1 light-year per second, a feat of crossing the universe. This is our Earth, the third planet in the inner solar system. At this moment, we start moving away at a speed of 1 second a light-year. After 1 second of flight, we have arrived at the edge of the solar system. This is called the Oort cloud. It's a huge spherical cloud. It envelops the entire solar system. It's 2 light-years across. After 4.22 seconds of flight, we have reached the closest point to the Earth, Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is a celestial system composed of 3 stars. The other 2 are alpha coefficient stars A and alpha coefficient B. After 8.6 seconds of flight, we came to Sirius. Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky. It's also a binary system, surrounded by a white dwarf star. After 25 seconds of flight, we have come to the most familiar star, the goddess of the stars. Vega is a blue dwarf star. It's about 2.1 times the mass of the Sun, due to its extremely fast rotation speed, so it's ugly. After 10 minutes of flight, we arrived at the super-Earth Kepler b. This is one located in. The parent star migrates to an Earth-like planet in its pocket. It's about 2.4 times the mass of the Earth. Scientists believe that there could be liquid water on its surface. After 25 minutes of flight, we have arrived at one of the most beautiful nebulae in the sky, Orion Nebula. If you could go inside the nebula, you will find that there are a lot of new stars being born here. Therefore, the Orion Nebula is also known as the cradle of stars. After 1.8 hours of flight, we've arrived at a supernova remnant. It's called the Crab Nebula. D. Zhuangnan, a massive star, is entering the end of its life. The products formed by subsequent outbreaks. There is also a high-density neutron star at its center. After 5.5 hours of flight, we have arrived at the present, the largest known star, Stephenson 218. His radius is about 2,150 times that of the Sun. It is large enough to accommodate 10 billion Sun and 130 million billion Earths. After a day of flying, we have reached the outer reaches of the Milky Way galaxy. And at this time, the entire galaxy will be. Close your eyes. We can see nearly 200 billion stars collected within this system. And outside it is empty, dark space. And as we fly outward for another 1.8 days, we have arrived at the half-galaxy of the Milky Way, Large Magellanic Cloud. It's about 1/20th the diameter of the Milky Way. Has about 10 billion stars. After 29 days of flight, we have arrived at the nearest large galaxy to us, Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is 220,000 light-years across. There are many times more stars than the Milky Way. After 115 days of flight, we have come to the edge of the local group of galaxies. At this point, you will find that there are approximately 50 galaxies. Of these, Andromeda and the Milky Way are the largest. After about 3 years of flying, we're going to see a much larger group. It's called the Virgo Superstar Group. The diameter of the Virgo supercluster, 110 million light-years. In this grand cosmic structure, our local group of galaxies are only a small part of it. After 31 years of flight, here we will see the large-scale structure of the universe. It's called Pisces. Cetus Supercluster Complex. Its diameter is about 1 billion light-years, contains nearly 60 supercluster clusters. And so we are in the Virgo Superstar constellation, and the Laniakea Superstar Group are located in it. As we continue to fly outward, the universe is going to get bigger and bigger. Galaxy clusters will quickly recede before your eyes. After 1,458 years of flight, we have finally reached the edge of the universe. It's about 46.50 billion light-years from Earth. Is the range of the universe that humans can observe. However, this is not the true size of the universe. In addition to this, due to the limitations of the speed of light, we can't see it yet. Through the above we cannot imagine. Although traveling through the universe at a speed of 1 light-year per second, even if we go through generations, we can't even reach the observable edge of the universe. So this virtual voyage to the stars, it also makes us feel more deeply. Humans are so insignificant in the universe.